Text Now app review 2025, worth it or leave it. Most people get this wrong. They assume Text Now is just another free texting app. But the surprising truth about Text Now in 2025 is that it has evolved into a fully featured communication platform, complete with phone numbers, calling, texting, and even low-cost plans that can replace a traditional cell service for some users. Today, we're going to break down exactly how Text Now works, its features, limitations, and whether it's truly worth using or better left alone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up the app, make calls and texts, manage your account, and decide if Text Now fits your communication needs. Let's start with the basics. Text Now is a voice-over Internet Protocol or VoIP service that allows users to send texts and make calls using Wi-Fi or mobile data instead of a traditional phone plan. In 2025, Text Now offers both a free ad-supported version and paid options with extra features like ad removal, unlimited nationwide calling, and international calling credits. Now, let's talk about getting started. First, you need to download the Text Now app, available on iOS, Android, and even desktop platforms. Once installed, you'll create an account using your email, Google or Apple ID. Text Now will then provide you with a free phone number, usually with your choice of area code, which you can use for texting and calling. Most people get this wrong. They assume the free number is temporary, but in 2025, Text Now allows you to keep your number indefinitely as long as you use the service regularly. This is important for anyone looking to maintain consistency for personal or business contacts. Now, let's talk about the calling and texting experience. Text Now uses Wi-Fi or mobile data to send and receive messages, which means you don't rely on traditional cellular service. Calls and texts are fast and reliable when you have a strong internet connection. The free version is ad-supported, so you'll see occasional banner ads or short video ads when navigating the app. Paid plans remove ads and provide higher quality calling. Now, let's discuss pricing in 2025. Text Now offers several options. The free plan gives you unlimited texting and calling within the US and Canada, but ads are present. The premium plan, which is typically under $10 per month, removes ads, provides voicemail transcription, and allows international calling at reduced rates. There's also a Text Now mobile plan that provides a SIM card and cellular data, making it a potential full replacement for traditional cell service at competitive rates. Now, let's talk about features most people overlook. Text Now supports voicemail, call forwarding, number porting, and even conference calling. In 2025, it also integrates with desktop apps, meaning you can send texts or make calls from your computer. Additionally, you can customize your voicemail greeting and text notifications, providing a personalized communication experience. Now, let's talk about limitations. Text Now relies entirely on internet connectivity. Poor Wi-Fi or mobile data can cause dropped calls or delayed texts. Additionally, emergency calling is limited. Text Now numbers are not always compatible with 911 services, so you should have a backup method for emergencies. International calling is possible but often requires purchasing credits, which can add up over time. Now, let's discuss security and privacy. Text Now uses encryption for messages and calls within its network. In 2025, the platform continues to implement security updates to protect user data. However, free accounts are ad-supported, meaning some metadata is used to deliver targeted ads. Paid plans reduce ad-related data sharing, but users should always read the privacy policy carefully. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Maria, a college student living in a dorm with limited cell service. She uses Text Now on Wi-Fi to text and call friends and family. The free plan suits her needs perfectly, and she enjoys the flexibility of a second phone number for personal privacy. Meanwhile, James uses Text Now as a backup number for online transactions and temporary projects. By purchasing the premium plan, he avoids ads and enjoys higher call quality, making it feel almost identical to a traditional phone line. Now, let's talk about advantages. Text Now's biggest advantage is cost savings. Free texting and calling within the US and Canada is appealing for budget-conscious users. Flexibility is another plus. You can use the app on multiple devices, and the ability to choose your area code allows for local presence even if you're relocating. In 2025, it's also an effective way to have a secondary number without paying for a second line. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. Reliance on Wi-Fi or data is a limitation. Call quality can vary, especially during peak usage or low bandwidth. Ad-supported free plans can be disruptive, and TextNow numbers are not always accepted for two-factor authentication or verification with some services. Users needing emergency reliability or consistent network coverage might find these drawbacks significant. Now, let's talk about tips for maximizing benefits. Use a strong Wi-Fi network or reliable mobile data to ensure smooth communication. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if you want ad-free use and higher call quality. Keep your account active to maintain your number, and explore international calling options if you travel frequently. For privacy-conscious users, use the paid plan to minimize data sharing. Now, let's compare TextNow to traditional carriers. Traditional carriers provide guaranteed coverage, emergency calling, and often higher call reliability. TextNow, in contrast, is more flexible, affordable, and works well for secondary numbers, remote locations, or budget-conscious users. For some, especially students, remote workers, or those with excellent internet access, TextNow can replace a primary phone plan entirely when combined with a mobile SIM option. Now, let's talk about the surprising truth about TextNow. Many people underestimate how fully featured it has become in 2025. With desktop apps, call forwarding, voicemail, and a SIM card option, TextNow is no longer just a free texting app, it's a legitimate alternative for those seeking flexibility and affordability without a traditional carrier contract. Now, let's answer the big question. Is TextNow worth it in 2025? Yes, if you're looking for a low-cost, flexible communication solution and don't rely solely on traditional cellular networks. It's especially useful as a secondary line for students, travelers, or budget-conscious users. The free plan is great for testing the service, while the premium or mobile SIM options enhance reliability and features. However, it's not a perfect replacement if you need guaranteed coverage or emergency calling. So let me ask you something. Do you want to pay high monthly phone bills, or do you want a flexible, cost-effective solution that can cover your texting, calling, and even data needs in 2025? If this TextNow review helped you understand whether it's worth it, hit the like button so others can learn these tips too. Subscribe for more detailed app reviews, and comment below, would you consider using TextNow as your primary number or a secondary line? Smart communication is about choice, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, and in 2025, TextNow offers all three when used wisely.